Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these delicious Easter cookies which are made with mini egg chocolate bar. So you need some softened butter, and to the softened butter you're going to add in some brown sugar. You're going to add in a splash of vanilla and you're going to give everything a very good mix. As always, all the ingredients will be in link in description. If you don't have softened butter, you can easily make it by melting it in the microwave just a tiny bit just to soften it, and it'll be perfect for your cookies. You can also do this process with a hand mixer or a stand mixer. Add in 2 liquid chickens and give it a very good mix. Also guys, I wanted to apologize for not posting in a while. I've been planning a lot of videos, and also I was a bit sick throughout the week, so I wasn't able to do any videos, but I'm a lot better now. So I'm back with some more videos so we can get back on track and so you guys can have some recipes to watch and to make maybe. So then I add in my flour and my leavening agents. Leavening agents are what make your cookies rise, or your cakes or cookies, anything rise. So basically I'm adding baking powder and baking soda. You don't have to sift this, but sift if you like. Then you're gonna fold the batter very gently with an offset spatula. Then you're going to need some mini eggs, the chocolate bar, or you can use the mini eggs itself, and then you're going to fold it in to the batter. I decided to add extra chocolate chips. I really recommend this. It just brings your cookies to another level. Fold everything gently with an offset spatula or even a wooden spoon, just making sure you're doing this gently. Please don't use a hand mixer or a stand mixer in this part. You just want to mix it very gently. After this, you're going to cover it with cling film and let it rest in the fridge for 15 minutes. Also, make sure your oven is preheated to 200 degrees, and then you're going to add in your cookies. You're going to scoop them with an ice cream scoop or a spoon, but I really recommend investing in an ice cream scoop. You're just going to scoop them, leaving like an inch, like quite a lot of space in between them, so that way they can have time to rise. As you can see here, I put them a tiny bit close, but it turned out fine. If you have extra time in your hands, you can let the dough rest for 30 minutes to an hour. This just allows it not to spread in the oven. I was able to make around 12 to 14 cookies, and this is how they turned out. That one's a bit burnt, but they were all quite lovely and they were delicious, soft, and oh my gosh guys, I really recommend this recipe. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Have a lovely Easter. If you have any recipes or anything, any ideas you want me to do for Easter, let me know down below and I'll make a recipe just for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!